The journey to Casa Feliz begins with a winding drive through a dense canopy of trees, a prelude to the serene haven that awaits. This meandering path, a deliberate choice to immerse visitors in the natural surroundings, culminates in a striking revelation: the front facade. A massive, 20-foot wide steel entrance door, set against a punctuated brick wall, redefines scale and acts as a tangible threshold between the mundane world and a realm of tranquility. As one approaches this imposing portal, a sense of anticipation and detachment washes over. The sheer size of the door, a deliberate contrast to the human scale, disrupts the familiar and invites a moment of reflection. Crossing this threshold is akin to shedding the burdens of everyday life, a symbolic purging that prepares one for the serene sanctuary beyond. The villa's design is a harmonious blend of modern architecture and tropical sensibilities. Nestled amidst lush greenery and a tranquil water body, the house pays homage to the natural beauty of its surroundings. The master plan, centered around a squarish courtyard adorned with palms and verdant mounds, creates a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. The villa's interior is a celebration of natural materials and timeless design. Clay bricks lend warmth and character, while metal elements add a touch of contemporary sophistication. Large-scale artifacts and petrified wood center tables serve as focal points, adding a sense of history and intrigue. The elevated swimming pool, edged in dressed stone masonry, is a detached oasis, inviting relaxation and rejuvenation. Casa Feliz is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur. The villa's design invites visitors to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of their surroundings, to find solace in the tranquility of the space, and to experience a profound sense of peace and well-being. Thank you for watching this video about Casa Feliz. I hope you enjoyed learning more about this unique and beautiful property. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. And be sure to hit that like button up if you found this video helpful or informative. Thanks for watching.